Today I'm fixing my own TV that I use for the microscope. It crapped out on me, so let's... Oh yeah, I have it plugged in here, and yeah, it doesn't show anything. It doesn't power on. Let's get that base off. Okay, now we need to get the back cover off. First time taking something like this apart. There's flex cables all over the place. Right, I was just doing it wrong. Now I got the back off. I should have checked the charger first. It's kind of hairy. It gets to 19 volts. But the negative pin is all the way on the inside. What I think I'm going to do is I'm going to change that head with one of these over here and do some retrofitting nonsense. I think I found it. I think it's type F right here. Alright, just got to get that polarity right, and negative is on the outside, so I'm going to retrofit this connector to this. Now let's splice these wires. So I have the shrink wraps here in place. So after we twist it, we're going to solder. Right after it's soldered, we're going to trim. Now I'll shrink wrap this side and the other side. Testing the polarity here, and we got it. So... And yeah, the charger is working fine, but not the TV. Okay, check it out. You see that? It's also a bad charging port. So the charger and the port are bad. I have no idea where I'm going to be able to get one of these things, so I'm going to try to retrofit something. Even though the back port is hairy, I couldn't find a replacement, but here it is. It lives another day.